Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your health data with Blue Cross Blue Shield detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Blue Cross Blue Shield member account online. Navigate to the privacy settings section of your account. Review the data sharing options provided to understand how your information is used. Select the option that aligns with your preferences for data sharing. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Regularly update your login password to keep your account secure. Choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Monitor your account activity frequently for any unauthorized transactions. If you spot any suspicious activity, report it immediately. Utilize the mobile app for easier access to your health data on the go. Make sure to keep the app updated to benefit from the latest security features. Familiarize yourself with Blue Cross Blue Shield's privacy policy to understand your rights. Educate yourself on how your health data is protected under HIPAA regulations. If you have concerns, reach out to Blue Cross Blue Shield's customer service for assistance. Sign up for alerts regarding any changes to your account or privacy policy. Always be cautious about sharing personal information on social media. Consider using a virtual private network or VPN when accessing your account on public networks. Keep your device's operating system and security software up to date for optimal protection. Store sensitive documents securely and avoid sharing unnecessary health data. By following these steps, you can help ensure your health data remains protected with Blue Cross Blue Shield. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.